Locking cells in Excel allows you to protect specific cells from being edited or modified. It is used to safeguard important data, formulas, or formatting in a worksheet and prevent accidental changes or unauthorized alterations. This is an essential feature in Excel to keep sensitive data protected from being accidentally removed. Here, in this tutorial, I will show you how to lock a cell or cells in MS Excel in 2023. So, without any delay, let's start. Here you can see I have a dataset where I have students' names and the number of marks they gain in their math exam. Now I want to lock the students' names and the upper menu cells so that no one can change them. To do this, first of all, I have to select the cells where I get the names. I can do this by clicking and dragging over the cells. Then I will right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the context menu. Alternatively, this can be done from the Home tab in the Excel ribbon, and then from the Format Cells options. Then I will go to the Protection tab from the Format Cells dialog box. Then I will check the box labeled Locked to indicate that I want to lock the selected cells. By default, this option is checked for all cells. Then I will click OK to apply the changes and close the dialog box. The first part is done now. Now, I need to protect the cells to enforce cell locking. To do this, I will go to the Review tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Protect group, click on the Protect Sheet button. A list will come like this. Here, you can set a password also to restrict access to the worksheet if desired. But I am not doing this. From here, keep everything default or look at my screen. Then select the OK button from below. If the cells are already protected, you will see the Unprotect Sheet button. Now, the selected cells are locked, and the worksheet is protected. Users can only edit the unlocked cells unless they know the password to unprotect the sheet. If anyone wants to edit these locked cells, this message will come. That was all for today. Hope this video helped you. If yes, please leave your feedback. If you want to get more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.